Mommy, I'm cleaning my leg off.
Hi, CDC friends. Miss Adelle is here with two friends helping.
Raylan and Addie.
And we're going to make bird feeders today. So we had already started it once and it stopped. So anyways, you're going to need either a can that's empty of some kind or something that you can put peanut butter on. Or if you are allergic to peanut butter, sun butter.
Sun butter or what was the other
Wow butter.
Wow butter, yeah.
And then we got some bird seed. You have to be careful. Your mommies and daddies have to make sure if you are allergic to peanut butter that they get one that doesn't have peanuts in it.
And then you'll need a plastic spoon and plastic fork. If you guys don't have any plastic stuff, you guys can, or if you guys don't have any plastic stuff, you can use regular silverware, and we have this to scoop up our bird seed.
Yep. So Raylan wants to do the scooping part. So we went ahead and we spread all of our peanut butter on our can first. And after this is all over, you can, your mommies and daddies can help glue some string of some kind to put it outside, or you could probably just put it outside like this and it would work.
And don't forget, the other thing is, you always need a placemat.
Uh-oh. Run away, peanut butter. It's okay. You don't need to tell them that.
It's not peanut butter, it's sun butter.
I know, it is sun butter. We're using peanut butter, though. So it's all covered. And then next, Raylan wanted to do this part. So we're going to let him do this part.
I want to do it all.
You can do yours. Okay. So Raylan's going to scoop it over the tray.
A bunch of it. Wow, it's getting a lot of boys.
Okay, hold on. Uh-oh!
You're so sorry.
Everyone see the sky.
Now you see the sky.
Okay, stop. Nope. You don't need to do that. Nope. No more. You're going to end up wasting it.
Thank you.
So, there you go. And it kind of sticks to it. It's kind of melting right now, so you might want to maybe, I don't know, put them in the freezer for a little while to let it harden up before you take it back outside.
But then you can't have it when it's stick. I mean, when it's stick.
I don't know if it would or not.
Not if it's frozen.
No, I mean after you've done it.
Oh.
To get it to harden back up. So, there you go. All right, have fun, friends. We miss you. Stay safe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.